Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Imou Blue 360 Indoor Security Camera. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we get to see what the camera looks like. And there are a few features or aspects that they'd like to highlight. That this has 1080p video capabilities. It can detect human. And then there's also something called a privacy mask. On the side of the product, we have the contact information for the importer and the manufacturer, as well as pricing details. On the back side of the packaging, we have the different aspects of the mic being highlighted, namely that it has a built-in mic, there's a micro SD card slot, there's a reset button on the back, there's a gigabit Ethernet port, power switch, and built-in speaker. And the last side has certain additional features being highlighted, namely that this has a remote viewing capability. So you can use an app in order to check out your cameras one by one. You will get real-time push notifications each time there is an incident that you have set an alert for. Then you also have video playback. So in case you're not watching it real time, you can view it later. There's a handy little QR code at the bottom for you to get the app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So we had the quick start guide, then you have the legal and regulatory information, a little sticker. This is basically a wall marker. So in case you're mounting this onto a wall, then you'd want to use this to get the dimensions of the screw holes properly. Then you have the USB power adapter. This thing is rated for 5 volts, 1 ampere. Then you have the little clip. This is what you use for wall mounting it. Then you have some screws as well as screw grips. You have 3 screws and 3 grips. A USB cable. On one end, you have a USB Type A port, and on the other end, you have a micro USB port. The cable is quite long. It seems to be about 2 meters in length. That's quite a lot. The last thing happens to be the security camera itself. This is the front side of the security camera where you can see the lens. There's a little indicator at the top as well as a microphone hole over here at the bottom. The camera can move about. This can be controlled within the app, and it can also move up and down, or rather tilt up and down. On the bottom, you have a little QR code along with serial number as well as some additional information. This is what you'd use to link the camera with your app. And on the back side, you have the power port for connecting the micro USB cable to your power adapter. And on the left, you have the Ethernet port for connecting this to your network in case you're not using this via Wi-Fi. And this little perforated part over here is where the speaker exists. And in order to access the SD card slot as well as the reset button, you need to move the lens upwards. Once you do that, you can see the little SD card slot over here. And to the right of that exists the reset button. So whenever you're setting up, if you're facing any difficulties, you might have to reset the device. So that's where the reset button is. Be gentle when you're moving the lens up or down. So that's it for the unboxing of the Imou Blue 360 Indoor Security Camera. Thank you for watching.